Does your child need help calming when they become upset or angry? Try a calming board. It is not expected that a child will know what to do when they feel sad, scared, or angry, and they will need support from their caregiver to learn to calm. A calming board is used to demonstrate to the child visually what they can do when they have a specific feeling. This can help a child identify their feelings and know that there are options of what they can do when they have that feeling. For example, when I feel sad, I can cuddle on the couch, hug my parent, read a book, listen to music, play with Play-Doh. Now you can present this choice board to the child when the child is feeling the specific feeling so they can make a choice of what to do. You can support the child with the activity if needed. You can also have the child pick more than one activity.